Hello guys! You like spinning stuff in between your fingers? You always play with a pen? Or do you have a fidget spinner? Then I have something for you. In this video I show you how you can make your own spinner ring. First, we choose the finger we want to make the ring for. I choose my index finger. Next, we have to get the inner diameter of the ring by measuring our finger. I don't like it to be too tight. Great! Now let's get to Fusion 360. In the following, we draw a few lines with the distance we like. I want the ring to be 8 mm high and around 2 mm thick. The ring is made of two parts, an inner part and an outer part. I want each of these parts to be 1 mm thick. And the two parts needs to have at least a distance of 0.2 mm. And now comes my favorite part. We select the two parts and the axis and voila! The edges needs to be round. I choose 1 mm. For the inner edges, I choose 0.5 mm. We can also add some text. We calculate the outer line length and draw a rectangle for the text box. We type in 6 and a calculated length of 80.4. Then we add the text we like. We can change the size and the font. How do you like this font and what is your favorite one? Please tell me in a comment. We use the new Emboss function. This is really nice. Just choose the text and the surface on the ring. Is there someone that knows why I chose 0.33 on purpose? I would like to make a giveaway. You need to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment with the words you want me to print on your ring. I'm going to choose 3 comments at random. In the next video I'm going to announce the 3 winners.
Precious!